Okay, so to start, oh my god, the plane literally right as I get over here. Living under an airport, dude. It's like the worst plan ever. Okay, so anyways, I've got 3 boards down. I'm gonna do the top coat for this side of the board on all 3 of these. Wait till they dry, flip it, and then I'll do the other side. If it takes forever to dry, I might move them and then do like the other round and kind of swap them out. This is the first color I'm gonna be doing though. I don't know how well you guys can see it because it's so bright outside, but it's this like multicolored texture black color. So I think they'll be really good for like the first layer of the board. So I'm gonna put some gloves on and let's get started. Okay, so the ones that I did black on, love. They look great. The matte backs look good. There's only like one spot that I'm seeing the paint get a little thicker. We are doing layers, so that should be okay. But this gray one on the end, I totally fucked up. I was so excited about this speckled black, and I didn't realize that it's textured. Like that's the point. You're supposed to like spray paint it on something that isn't that material, so it looks that material. So I'm never gonna get like a flat color on that. It's not like a speckled black spray paint. It's like a textured spray paint. So thank God that's the first one I did. I'm still gonna try and fix it somehow. I might go over with like the silver and just like that one will be crazy, like crazy marbly, where these ones will be a little more like, not matte because they're still shiny, but whatever. That one's a mess up. These two are good. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I could scoot them over and do more black, but I gotta like figure out how to move them all around because I don't have like a bunch of tables out here. So that's what's going on. Texture didn't work, these worked. Next step. This is what the box looks like underneath. It's just like a rectangle box. And then I'm gonna put this over it and then put it underneath so it doesn't, when you fill it with water, it'll just hold itself down. Okay, so I got everything prepped. I've got the strings on the board. I'm gonna do my first round. I'm doing the black boards first. I'm doing a silver color, this like lime green, calling like Rjs Kids green, and then a white. So I'm gonna give it the first go. I'm gonna be spraying it in, dipping the boards, and then using a paper towel to wipe it so I have like a clean slate for the next one. So I'm gonna try and do 2 and then see how they look. Okay, wish me luck. So, okay, the logo, oh man, are you guys even gonna be able to see this? Sorry, it's really dark. This is the logo that we're gonna be drawing onto the boards and then painting on with this repaint. So I've already gotten a couple of them done, and I'm just gonna go through and chalk the rest and then start painting. But yeah, we're doing 5 of the big logos and then doing the other 5 with just like little like logo details. So that's the plan, and we're just gonna keep going. It's so fucking hot out here though.